Welcome to a world where technology is rapidly advancing, transforming every aspect of our lives. In this 5-minute video, we will explore the future of technology, focusing on the incredible potential of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become an integral part of our lives, helping us with daily tasks, answering our questions, and even providing companionship. But AI's impact goes far beyond personal assistants. It is transforming industries across the board, making processes more efficient, accurate, and accessible. Artificial intelligence is not just about robots taking over the world. It's about empowering humans to do more, to achieve things we couldn't imagine before. It augments our abilities and helps us make better decisions. In the field of healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnosis and treatment. Advanced algorithms analyze vast amounts of medical data, leading to more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. AI-powered robotic assistants assist surgeons, making complex surgeries safer and more precise. Cities are becoming smarter with AI. Intelligent traffic systems optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and improving transportation efficiency. AI-powered surveillance systems enhance security by detecting anomalies and potential threats. AI is also playing a crucial role in addressing one of the greatest challenges of our time, climate change. Advanced AI algorithms analyze environmental data to develop sustainable solutions, optimize energy consumption, and promote eco-friendly practices. Education is being transformed as AI adapts to individual learning styles, providing personalized recommendations and real-time feedback. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to curate personalized entertainment experiences, making recommendations that align with our preferences. The future of technology is not about humans versus AI. It's about collaboration. Together, humans and AI can unlock unprecedented possibilities, pushing the boundaries of innovation and creating a better world. As we step into this exciting future, let us embrace the potential of AI. Let us harness its power to build a more connected, intelligent, and inclusive world. The future of technology is here, and together, we can shape it for the better. Thank you for watching our videos.